Hey guys, we're going to walk through this 2023 Puma Park 39FKL. Nice park model here by Puma. Nice big sliding glass door there to walk in and out of the camper underneath the big nice awning here we got going on. And of course you have a second entrance here that takes you straight into the master bedroom. This camper is 42 feet 1 inch. We're going to take a nice big walk on the outside here. Look at all these nice windows, and then we're going to take a walk in here into the sliding glass door, right into the kitchen, and let's see what we got going on. Taking a walk inside the kitchen here, of course you got a nice wide wardrobe right next to the freestanding table and chair. You're going to enjoy breakfast there. Moving on over to the kitchen, 3 nice big bay windows with your sink directly beneath those. Single basin sink with removable tops. Of course, you got a nice big stove, 4-burner stove with a full-size oven underneath and a big residential refrigerator. Plenty of space inside of there. Moving on around, again, there's your freestanding table and chair, and there's that nice big storage cabinet. Of course, you have yourself a little bar there with a couple of stools, give you a little bit more seating for any kind of extra guests you have going on. There's your entertainment center with a nice little fireplace underneath, sound bar included, and a 32-inch TV looks like over top. Here you have a nice hide-a-bed, folds out into a little queen bed. There's your 2 theater seating, so you can get close to your loved one, and you can also recline while you watch the Saturday football game. Another little hide-a-bed there for any kind of extra guest, folds all the way out. Awesome little feature there. Moving on into the bathroom here. Nice little sink with a vanity over top. Awesome shower, plenty of room to move around in. Of course, you have nice little inlets there for holding all your soap and everything. And your toilet, of course, angled correctly, and a nice little vanity for any kind of holding your towels and everything. Moving down the hallway into the master bedroom here. There we have your king bed, plenty of storage over top with a couple little end tables there. And then you can see directly to the side of it there, nice big wardrobe for plenty of storage, a couple mirrors so you can see yourself dressed up for Sunday dinner. And of course you have a couple of washer and dryer in this model. It is prepped for it, so that way you don't have to go to the laundromat. Nice little dresser here. And then there's the exit to go out to the campsite right underneath that awning again. Here's a nice little walk through the camper. You can just kind of see the flow into that living room and into the kitchen again. Thanks for joining us.